Yo, what's good, GC fam? I'm JUICYFLIPS, and today I'm gonna be playing with 1.5 Solana on SolPump, the best decentralized casino on Solana. No KYC required, you always keep custody of your funds and profits go straight to your wallets. There are different games like blackjack, like coin flip, and crash. Yo fam, some seconds ago, almost 11x, almost 33x, 7.43x, almost 6x, and the last one 5x. Crazy. Quick reminder, not financial advice, and play responsibly. Using the code JUICYFLIPS, you can receive up to 10 Solana for free every single day. Just like this guy called Same Day Sol, who won 10 Sol for free yesterday. Wow. Creating an account is very simple. Go to the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Connect your wallet to SolPump. Make sure to use my referral code JUICYFLIPS to open your daily case. Yeah, like write JUICYFLIPS and reading code. Have funds in your Solana wallets, and that's it, fam. I stream every single day. And make sure you join to JUICY House, the best meme coin community ever. You have the links in the description. Wow, moreover, you are gonna receive free Solana just for playing. Every single hour you are gonna receive an airdrop. Besides, if you click here, SolPump, you are gonna receive also, just for playing on SolPump, free SolPump tokens. As you can see, I have received over 100 USD just for playing, so this is free money, fam. Alright, let's go. Yo fam, some seconds ago this guy won 28 Solana, 3,500 USD. Crazy. Twice. Okay, let's go. Well, I'm gonna bet 0.05. I'm gonna create a flip. Okay, let's go, Mr. Trader. I'm the OG trader. Ooh, fuck. Okay, chilling. Broski's chilling. I'm gonna double. Well, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna double again. I'm chilling. Okay, Dr. Solana, I'm gonna win this one, broskis. I'm gonna win this. Okay, what is happening here, broskis? I'm gonna double again. Call bot. Okay, against Healer. Let's go. Yes, sir. Okay. And this one. Yeah, call bot. Yeah. Let's go. I have to win. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Claim winnings. Okay. I'm gonna do like this. Call bot against Dr. Solana, but I'm the king of coin flip. Yes, sir. Winning. I'm gonna claim my winnings. Well, okay. Maybe I'm gonna double. Broskis. Okay. Let's print some salami. Yeah, boy. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna bet the same amount. Okay, let's go, fam, let's fucking go. Well, I'm gonna create another flip with the same quantity. I'm gonna win this, so give me my money, broski. Give me my money. I'm the fucking G. Okay, almost 13 USD. Not bad. Cooking good, broskis. Cooking good. I'm gonna create another flip. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win because I'm the fucking king of coin flips. Ooh, ooh, in the face. I'm gonna create another flip with the same amount. So when I lose later, yeah, okay. Basically the martingala strategy. So let's see. Okay, call bot against this fucking Dr. Solana. I'm the real doctor! Dr. JUICYFLIPS! Well, winning. We are winning. Another flip. And after this, I have to win this one, and then I'm gonna play some blackjack. Yes, sir! Another almost $7. I'm gonna play some blackjack. Okay, finding a lobby. I'm gonna take a seat here. So let's go. Yeah, the bet gonna be like 0.05. 0.05. Well, 3 people watching. 3 people playing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 4. Well, a lot of time playing. I'm gonna stand because I have 17. Okay, 19, 17. Maybe I'm 5 here. Broskis, let's see. Oh my god, 19. Maybe 21 here. Or maybe 18. Yes, sir. Oh, okay. Push. So, okay. Place bet. Same amount. I'm gonna double. Let's go, baby. 6, 10. I'm gonna hit. I have to hit. Well, oh, this guy, blackjack, 15, 10, hit. Yes, sir. 21. Yeah, you fucking X. Well, yo, so we are printing in minutes, fam. In fucking minutes. I'm gonna play a coin flip here. Okay. 0.05. Ooh. Same amount. Same amount. Okay, JUICYFLIPS versus Healer. I'm the fucking king. Let's go. Yeah. Claim winnings. Yeah, like this. I'm gonna win this one. I smell it. Give me my money. Oh, fuck. Well. I'm gonna double here. Flipping, 2, 1, go. Give me my fucking money. Oh, okay. I'm gonna double. Call bot. Flipping. Give me my money. Okay. I'm gonna double. Call bot. Give me my money. OG against OG. Yes, sir. 100 USD. Okay. Infuse to Solana. Fam. Infuse to Solana. Okay, let's do it. 0.1. Let's go. Well. I was closed. 2-1. Give me my money. Yes. Claim winnings. 25 USD. And now this is the real coin flip. I'm gonna win. GG, bro. And give me my fucking money. Let's fucking go. Yes, sir. 25 USD over 2 fucking. Yeah, boy. Let's fucking go, broskis! Remember to use the code JUICYFLIPS, join Juicy House, the free alpha Discord community, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let me know in the comments what your strategy is. See you, legends!